It may sound far-fetched, but damaged wood around your home has something in common with automobile repair. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about one of the best repair tools you should have around your home right after this.
Termites damage about 600,000 homes in the U.S. each year, and we don't want your house to be one of them. Join us at Today's Homeowner for Termite Week, now through March 14, where we're sharing exclusive advice straight from pros to help protect your home. Check out our articles, videos, and special podcasts with the latest termite expertise and tips. Plus, register to win a free termite inspection for your home. Visit todayshomeowner.com/termite week today to learn more and enter.
Eventually, every home will have some damaged wood. Perhaps it's a porch column with a little water damage, or a door jamb that has an ill-timed meeting with a piece of furniture being moved out. For minor damage that isn't a structural issue, one of the best repair solutions is to fill the gap with automobile body filler. While normally used to repair dents and dings in a car, it makes great filler for any wood surface that's being painted. The two-part epoxy bonds quickly to the damaged wood surfaces. It hardens within minutes, and once cured, it can be sanded smooth, primed, and painted. Automobile body filler should only be used for cosmetic repairs, but the beauty of the product is that the damage that was once an eyesore is now completely invisible. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.